Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. It is truly an honor for me to be here today, not just as your speaker, but as someone who, like you, believe in the power of extension to transform lives. Let me first thank the UPLB Department of Agribusiness Management and Entrepreneurship, or DMAE, for inviting me to this Dami Agribusiness Seminar Series. To everyone here, mga students, mga soon-to-graduate students, at currently enrolled students ng DAME, magandang hapon po. Today, I will be discussing the program and services of DAATI Calabarzon. First, let me introduce ang aming ahensya. The Agricultural Training Institute, or ATI, is the lead agency for extension services in agriculture and fisheries. We are also mandated to train extension agricultural workers and lahat ng kanilang beneficiaries. We also have the delivery of our e-extension programs for agriculture and fisheries. We have around 15 regional training centers all over the Philippines and one international training center on pig husbandry. Ang aming tanggapan ay matatagpuan sa Trece Martires City sa Cavite. Now, let me first start my discussion in defining extension. When people ask me what I do, I usually say, I work in extension. And most of the time, people pause and ask, ano ba yun? We all know this feeling, having to explain what it is we really do. But the more I think about it, it simpler it becomes. Extension is helping people help themselves. It is listening before teaching. It is walking with others, not just leading the way. It's building bridges between knowledge and the community. Sa totoo lang, hindi namin pinili ang extension dahil sa title o sa posisyon. Pinili namin ito dahil gusto naming may mabago, hindi lamang sa sistema, kundi sa mismong buhay ng tao. And over time, as we help each other grow, we also found ourselves growing. As someone that is immersed both in the academe and extension, I am very proud to reaffirm that extension began in agriculture through the academe. Our first classrooms were actually rice fields, coconut farms, and even backyard gardens. Farmers were our first partners. And in so many ways, sila ang ating unang naging guro. But today, extension goes beyond farming. We work in education, health, enterprise development, disaster response, and many more. What connects all of these areas? It is the people. Our commitment has always been to the people. We are the bridge between the research and the grassroots. We are the knowledge bank, the catalyst of ideas, the builder of capacity, and the constant companion of communities. Hindi lang kami tagabigay ng impormasyon. Kami ay tagapakinig, tagagabay, tagapagturo, at tagapaglingkod. Extension is not just about delivering programs or ticking off targets. It's about the presence. It's about the commitment. And it's about planting something that will outlive us. I remember leading a climate resilient agriculture project in Barangay Magsikap, General R. Quezon. Malayo, mahirap puntahan. Halos 1 oras mula sa bayan. sasakay ka ng habal-habal. Pagdating sa lugar, walang aircon, walang tech setup, just plastic chairs and group of farmers. Karamihan sa kanila ay mga nakakatanda. But when the session start, ramdam ko agad ang eagerness nila. They asked questions, maraming tanong. They shared practices. They were genuinely hungry to learn. That moment reminded me, extension is not just about technology. It's about connection. It's about the trust, respect, and the quiet power of being there when it matters most. At ATI Calabarzon, we implement various trainings and extension activities. Now, let me walk you through them, not as an abstract ideas, but as a lived experiences. Number one, investing in the next generation. Every time we train young persons in farming or agribusiness, we plant seed for the future. Through the Youth Internship Program for Future Young Farmers, we send young people to farms, both local and abroad, to immerse themselves in real-life agriculture. We've heard stories of interns who returned to their communities with a clear goal. Sabi nila, magpapatayo ako nito sa sarili kong farm. Through the Binhi ng Pag-asa and 4-H Club, we go beyond teaching. We mentor. We help youth find their voice, their vision, and the value in agricultural sector. This is the driving extension forward, passing the torch from one generation to the next. Now, as part of investing in the next generation, we have international exchange programs. It aims to enhance the knowledge and skills of Filipino interns who are around 20 to 35 years old on modern agricultural and fishery techniques, marketing strategies, and cooperative management. The Young Filipino Farmers Internship Program in Taiwan is being implemented by ATI. Now, a similar program titled Young Filipino Farmer Leaders Training Program in Japan is also implemented to develop deserving young Filipino farmers who are out of school, 20 to 30 years old, eventually becoming leaders and agricultural entrepreneurs. We also have the Philippine-Israel Internship Program for the youth. At this moment, medyo nakahold lang ang ating programang ito dahil meron nga tayong krisis sa gitnang silangan. But then again, ulitin natin, meron tayong mga internship program, international, sa Taiwan, Japan, at Israel. Soon, magkakaroon na din tayo ng internship program in South Korea. Next is our YPOA. This is a 21-month experiential learning program designed to equip young people with technical knowledge, hands-on farming experiences, business management skills, and access to mentorship sa aming mga Certified Learning Site for Agriculture or LSAs. We are already on our 4th batch of running the program at meron tayong kasalukuyang 25 youth interns na i-deploy sa mga darating na araw. Youth Internship Program for Corn Young Farmers. Ito naman ay a 19-month program, 7 months on-farm training, and 12 months for enterprise development. The program provides internship and hands-on training that is focusing on corn production and corn value chain, as well as corn-based agri-entrepreneurship. Next is our Youth Internship Program for Children of Coconut Farmers. This is a 21-month training that will provide youth with innovative knowledge in technology, hands-on experience, and financial support for their agricultural enterprise. So this is intended sa mga anak ng ating mga magniniyog. Next is MAYA. It stands Mentoring and Attracting Youth in Agribusiness Program. The MAYA program aims to empower Filipino youth to become skilled professional in agriculture-related agencies and future agripreneurs to accelerate the agricultural development. The 6-month internship program is designed to capacitate the youth sa pamamagitan ng mentorship. At ito ay may dalawang track, entrepreneurship track at saka employment track. For the entrep track, there is a provision of startup capital support for the agri-enterprise amounting to 150,000. And the top 5 business enterprise proposal ay magkakaroon ng karagdagang pang 150,000 karagdagang suporta bilang startup capital. For the employment track, you will be hired as job order, contractual, o pwede ring permanent employee kapag nakapasa sa employment evaluation. Number 2 for our programs is enabling smart and climate resilient practices. Climate crisis is no longer a future threat. Alam natin na ito ay isang daily reality na. Our smart greenhouse production trainings allow farmers to grow high-value crops in controlled and efficient environments. We also piloted the training of trainers on smart farming in greenhouse production for fruit crops and leafy vegetable. This is in partnership with Bukid Amara, an LSA smart farming LSA in Lucban, Quezon. Nariyan din ang mga makabagong teknolohiya sa pagsasaka. We promote smart agriculture technologies that is focused on drone utilization and app-based tools. We support farmers in mapping, monitoring, and managing their resources. Isa sa mga makabagong pagsasanay na isinagawa ng aming tanggapan ay ang Digital Farmers Program na binubuo ng 3 bahagi from 101, 102 at 103. Mula sa basic na paggamit ng cellphone hanggang sa drone technology ay itinuturo natin sa mga magsasaka upang makasabay sila sa mabilis na nagbabagong agrikultura. Third is building inclusive digital platforms. We don't just bring training to the field. We bring it also sa mga cellphone, laptops, and radios. The ATI e-library offers open access to learning materials for everyone. Farmers, students, AEWs, and other enthusiasts. Our improved e-learning program now uses interactive modules. We also utilize Facebook Live sessions and mobile platforms to make content timely, localized, and relatable. Digital doesn't replace the personal. It enhances it. It enables us to widen our reach, levels in the playing field, and bring knowledge closer doon sa mga hindi masyadong naaabot ng serbisyo. Number 4 is fostering progressive learning networks. We believe extension is strongest when communities learn from each other. Through our ladderized systems, farms can grow into learning sites that could either be LSA 1 or LSA 2, and then eventually becoming private agriculture and fisheries extension service providers. Our center also provides capacity building activities for our farmer partners, trainings and seminars that will definitely enhance their entrepreneurial and marketing skills. Just last month, we had this seminar for our LSA partners on effective marketing strategies for farm products. Some of our learning site also transforms into farm schools and even farm tourism sites, showing how learning and livelihood can go hand in hand. We also link them to SUCs to connect agriculture students in real farm activities through their on-the-job training. We empower our stakeholders, and definitely, that's the heart of progressive extension. Next is empowering human capital. Extension workers are not just knowledge carriers. They are actually change agents. Through this, we provide CPD accredited trainings, scholarships, and immersive programs para sa ating mga AEWs and trainers. We focus on leadership, facilitation, communication, and even inclusive leadership because technical skills definitely needs a human touch. A well-trained extension workers is not just competent, they are also compassionate, they listen, and they adapt. At higit sa lahat, inclusive dapat ang extension. May lugar dito ang kababaihan, mga kabataan, ang mga hindi madalas marinig ang boses. We build spaces for everyone to grow, regardless of age, gender, or background. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagiging magaling. It's about being present, being open, and being human. Because when we grow people, we don't just prepare them for the future. We build a stronger, more compassionate present. We also offer trainings focused on production technologies, such as integrated rice-based production technologies, diversified farming, corn and cassava byproducts utilization, organic agriculture, high-value crops and urban farming technologies, GAP, livestock technologies that includes AI, SPF or sustainable pig farming, dairy production, processing, native chicken, among others. We also offer agripreneurship-focused training as well as social technologies to include farm business school, financial literacy, farm business development, farm management, financial management, farm record keeping, proposal preparation, and mentoring, among others. Next is fostering innovation. We encourage creative solutions at all levels. We promote new technologies, training formats, and resource material. We support youth-led initiatives and business ideas. We listen to feedback and constantly evolve our approaches because we believe that future belongs to those who aren't afraid to reimagine the present. Now, among the innovations that we are implementing in the region includes Agri360. So this is a web-based interactive platform na kung saan pinapakita natin ang mga learning site for agriculture at PAP-ESP. You can actually virtually tour the farm using this platform. Aside from that, makikita nyo din dito ang kanilang mga facility at services, as well as showcase of technology. You can access that through our website. Next is Elevate. This initiative seeks to institutionalize a structured, sustainable, and rigorously monitored internship system by formalizing the convergence in terms of roles, standard, and resources among DAATI, SUCs, and accredited LSA. This establishes LSA as a legitimate, quality-assured post-training establishment with the capacity to deliver relevant, competency-based, and industry-aligned experiential learning. Okay? Let me share with you the partnership between LSPU and Kalungsod Integrated Farm. Meron tayong 19 BSA major in animal science na nag-OJT using the program. The objective, of course, is to develop highly employable, competent, and ethically grounded agriculture students through a value-based internship training programs that transfer the best practices and innovation of the LSA sa mga student interns natin, thereby effectively complementing classroom instruction from the academe with authentic, supervised, and industry-relevant field experiences. Next slide are the graduates themselves and yung kanilang fieldwork in Kalungsod. By the way, Kalungsod Integrated Farm is located in Chaong, Quezon, and they are very specialized in livestock and ruminants production. Next is ATI Engage. Now, on its 4th year, it started in 2022. This is engaging the DAATI Calabarzon staff in designing, planning, and assessing the center's program, projects, and activities by developing capabilities in project management. Just last year, we further strengthened its support system for innovation by extending the in-house assessment activity to provincial local government units. Bakit namin ito ginawa? We recognize that many innovative and successful agriculture and fishery extension initiatives originate at the grassroots level. These community-based projects, pinangungunahan ng mga local stakeholders, deserve recognition not only for their impact but also for their potential to inspire and influence others across the region. Last is strengthening strategic partnership. We don't go far alone. We go farther together. We work with LGUs, SUCs, private companies, NGAs to co-create solutions that are locally anchored and nationally aligned. This relationship ensures that extension is sustainable, inclusive, and scalable. Now, let me end with a quote that speaks to everything that we discussed today. Pope John Paul II says, "The future starts today, not tomorrow." Extension is not about waiting for change. It's about making it happen. So let us continue to build progressive networks, pioneer bold models, empower lives through learning, listening, and leading with purpose. May we always remember that in every barangay, every classroom, every farm, extension continuously move forward. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.